Under the title of Happy Families, I would narrate something very interesting. After immediate getting married, I found that my partner, my wife, my spouse is having a nature of helping to others. It was really a very good thing and I liked it. And she started helping to the people. She has started having a family counseling in which she was sorting out the differences between the couples. Then she had started a Anjan in which she was keeping 10 to 15 girls, blind girls, belongs to a very poor family. She herself had arranged for the finance. First donation she got from me, and after then she collected the donation from one person to another person, and like that she has created it registered a Anjan, and whose head of the Anjan, she has made the retired principal of a blind school. At the end, the administration was given to him, and she was looking after day to day. Daily, she was visiting the place. She got a house on hire where she kept all these girls. They were studying. Even two girls have done MA, and two, three girls she got married. It was an immense pleasure given to me. I was always cooperating. Like that, she has in the inner wheel also. She was doing a lot of social work. In spite of that, I was encouraging. I was taking her to the different places. When she became the chairman, before going to become the chairman of the inner wheel, she asked me, "What should I do?" I said, "God has given you the opportunity. Why not to avail it? This is another way of doing service to the society. You are doing service to the city. No, you will be doing service to whole of Gujarat, part of Maharashtra, because inner wheel exists in whole of the Gujarat and Maharashtra, and chairman is the head of the all 50 clubs, including part of Maharashtra. And I have been taking you in, and I was driving the car and taking you to the different places. I never felt. I felt that this is a good. She is doing very good to the society, and I must cooperate. And I have cooperated all the time. That way also she was the member of. She was heading ladies club. She was heading Mahila Mandal. She was heading even Rotary Club. So I was always cooperating, giving her the cooperation by financially, my own, and this freeing my vehicle, freeing the car all the time. Even if I drive thousands of kilometers for her to visit the different places of her clubs where she was checking the social work done by these particular clubs. She was doing humanitarian work, and I was very, very much happy, and I was very much cooperative. On the contrary, I was also feeling that she was asking me, "You are helping me all the time, so you are also very much social minded." I say, "I probably may not be having that much time which you can afford to, and definitely wherever there is a need, I am always there." One example I would share with you here, it is very touching to me. A group of some ladies came to our place. They have visited Somnath temple, and one of the member, she fell down, and she died instantly, and then they brought their body to the civil hospital. They were from the north side, and they were not knowing anything, neither the language also. The chief medical officer of the civil hospital immediately gave the reference of my name and my wife's name, that they are the couple who can help you in this problem. So immediately when the phone came, we were having lunch together. She said, "Stop the lunch and let us go first and then solve the problem." We went there and we found that everybody was very, they have come for the visit of all the religious places. But this has happened, so they were weeping and having very bad, sad, and they have not eaten anything. When we came to know from the chief medical officer that this has happened, and now the problem is how to take this body to their house, to north, that is around 2000 kilometers from here. That is also one of the problem. So she said, no problem. First they should be given to eat something, so that because right in the morning they have not eaten anything and they are empty stomach. So she has given me I have given them the payment for their food, and everybody has taken the food. And then we decided to how to take the body to we talked to the relatives, the son of the lady who has died. He told that he is ready to bear all the expenses, but how can I? Because there is not direct flight from here to his place. So what can I do? Then we decided that our chief medical officer was also very much cooperative, and he suggested that he can arrange a vehicle in which the body can be taken to that place. So he called that vehicle, and he said that he will charge 20,000 rupees to take the body to that place. So immediately I gave the guarantee. In fact, I told him that if you want that, I can give you 20,000 rupees in advance. So, but he said, no, sir, I know you are a man of words, so I'll take this body to the destination, and I'll get the money from their relatives or their sons. So that way they took the body and he reached there, and everything has been done. But after a year or so, we were going by car from our place to Jalandhar, and when they came to know that we are coming by car from that place to Jalandhar via to their city. So I was so amazed and I was so happy, I was so touched. On a certain circle of that city, from where we were crossing, they were in touch with us on telephone, and when they came to know that we are just reaching after 10 to 15 minutes, so many people have come with the flowers and what not. And when we get down from the car, and they have given us rousing welcome, that who in this world will do such a job. And I was looking to my wife, who has taken this initiative. Of course, I was helping all the time, but it was she who has taken the initiative, and I was very proud to feel at that time. So this is the way you help. If your partner is doing something good for the society, you should cooperate, you should help financially, if otherwise also. And it has given me immense pleasure when we reached our place, and when we told to our relatives about the story. They were so much happy, and they feel proud that our daughter, because you were going to her parents' side, her parents were also very much proud. So it has given me it is a such thing which I feel to feel proud to be that body, to take to such a place and taking the responsibility. See, this is called the humanity, and that's why today, by the grace of God, God has given me all the amenities. My children are very happy, very satisfied. They are happily married, living happily. I am very much happy. That is the reason behind, probably. These are the fruits which I and my wife, in fact, my wife has all these qualities, and we are now eating the fruits of that qualities.